Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here, and today I'm going to share with you a morning meditation practice. This is actually what I do every single morning when I wake up. I sit up, I write my dreams, and then I do the short morning meditation in my bed. Of course, you can do this anywhere and at any time, but this is what I do in the morning, and I find it really sets me up for a day with a very clear intention and also with a lot more presence. So to begin, and I should mention I'm filming this in Bangkok, and you might hear some sounds around me. So lots of birds in the trees, it's just beautiful, but you might hear some other sounds as well. All part of the practice. So find a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe cross-legged, maybe with your back against your headboard, whatever that looks like. Placing your hands on your knees or on your lap, wherever they feel comfortable. And just allow your eyes to blink closed. And let's begin with a nice big inhale through the nose. Long exhale through the mouth. And start to tune into all the sounds around you. Just notice what's there. And then start to draw your awareness inwards and tune into your body. Notice how the body feels today. Notice if there are any areas of tension, of tightness. Can you soften and release? Perhaps the muscles around the eyes. Perhaps the jaw or the shoulders, letting the whole body just soften. Tune into your mind. Notice what thoughts may be present. Notice where your attention is going in your mind. Can you start to turn down the thoughts? Perhaps by imagining each thought drifting away on the exhale. Perhaps in a little bubble. Drifting away. Each thought. Now tuning into the breath. Notice the sensation of the breath in the body. Perhaps the expansion as you inhale and the release as you exhale. do you feel the breath the most in the body? Perhaps the belly or the chest, perhaps the tip of your nose. Just bring your awareness there. And if you find your mind drifting to any thoughts, bring awareness back to that point, back to the breath. And start to notice the pauses between the breaths. At the top of your inhale and at the bottom of your exhale. And might you start to lengthen those pauses. Those brief moments in the pauses, just feel yourself just sitting in pure stillness. Stillness in the body and in the mind and in the breath. Just a few more rounds, sitting in the stillness of that pause, each pause. Releasing that and taking a moment to set an intention for your day. Perhaps there's something specific happening for you today, a specific event or a situation. And perhaps calling in something specific to help you in that situation, in that event, something you'd like to cultivate more of, whether that's ease or a sense of calmness or confidence, whatever that is for you. Perhaps something more general, welcoming a sense of lightness, happiness, whatever it is for you. It could just be a word. take a nice big inhale and imagine the essence of that intention saturating every cell and every part of your body, anchoring it into your cells. So, clear intention in your mind. Let's take a nice big inhale, filling yourself up with the essence of that intention. And exhale, anchoring it in. Let's do that again. One more big inhale, the biggest you've taken all day. Fill yourself up with the essence of that intention, maybe that word, and let it go. With your eyes closed, bring your hands together at your heart space. Let the thumbs come to the center of your chest. Just gently bowing your head, thanking yourself for taking the time to start your day with intention and presence. Maybe even sprinkling that with a little bit of gratitude. Maybe just to bring to mind just something you're deeply grateful for today. Maybe this comfortable bed, or the infinite possibilities ahead of you, or maybe your cat or dog that brings you so much joy, or that cup of coffee that awaits you now. Anything, just fill yourself up. Sense of gratitude. And then slowly blink open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you felt the effects of that, the positive effects of just taking a few moments to sit in silence, and that kind of step-by-step tuning into your body, tuning into your mind, and then the breath. This is what I do every day in my own meditation practice, but of course you can change those timings. So we started, it'll be relatively short, but you can make it longer, or you can just adjust that for yourself if you found it beneficial for you. And I just want to take a moment here to say that when I think of gratitude, I am so grateful for everyone who's watching this video at the moment, and everyone who's joining me in this online community, who joins my channel, who practices with me. I receive so many lovely comments every single day, so thank you so much. I'm so incredibly grateful for this community that we're building here on my YouTube channel. So thank you for that. It's really one of my greatest joys every day is reading all your comments, and I can't answer all of them all the time anymore. It's just physically impossible, but I do read each one, and it just brings me so much joy, and I'm deeply grateful to all of you who are here on my channel. I post a new video every single week, so if you enjoy this meditation, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again next time. Namaste.